Mandalorian will be surviving 24 hours in a blizzard. But not a Lego blizzard. He's in a real one. Do you think he can handle it? Let's find out. Do you see where I am? At the end of the world. Just listen to this wind. It's insane out here. The first thing Mando did was scout for a place to build his shelter. We walked for what felt like forever. And then... a bench?
Bro, this is it.
Mando said. High ground, no wind, perfect fireplace spot. I had to admit, it wasn't the worst idea. But there was a problem. He couldn't build it himself. He's Lego-sized, so guess who had to do it? Me. After just 2 seconds, my hands were frozen solid. It's -5 Celsius. Or for my friends who use freedom units, that's 23 Fahrenheit. Finally, with the help of a stick, because my hands were done, I managed to build a little igloo for him. Mando climbed inside and said, "This is great, but what am I supposed to do in here? It's just for sleeping." Determined to make the most of the day, Mando spotted something in the distance, a big log. Without hesitation, he started walking toward it. Well, trying to. His little Lego legs couldn't make it, so I picked him up and carried him. And guess what we found there?
Smash the subscribe button!
A house.
Yo, I'm moving in here,
Mando said. And honestly, I couldn't argue. It was way better than the igloo. But then he hit me with,
I'm starving, bro. I need to eat.
I said, well, good luck finding animals to hunt in this cold. How about eating grass?
Grass?
Mando said.
I'm not a cow, dude.
Just as I was about to tease him, he shouted,
Wait, look there.
Out of nowhere, we saw a guy selling popcorn. What is he doing here? I asked. Mando marched right up to him.
Hi, can I take some popcorn?
Sure, the guy said.
What are you doing here, though?
Mando asked. I could ask you the same thing, the guy said. I'm selling popcorn. What about you? Mando proudly replied,
I'm surviving a 24-hour blizzard challenge.
We grabbed the popcorn, thanked him, and headed back to the house. Mando devoured it before crashing for the night. The next morning, we woke up to no snow.
What happened to the blizzard?
Mando asked. This ruins my plan, I told him. Hey, don't worry, we've still got a few more hours to go. So Mando decided to check on the igloo. We walked for ages, and that's when the most unexpected thing happened. A panda showed up.
Bro, is this my ride?
Mando asked. Before I could say anything, he hopped on and rode the panda across the snow. As we rode, we suddenly heard a loud roar coming from the woods. I panicked and ran as fast as I could. Mando, what are you doing? I shouted, but it turned out to be a false alarm. There was no bear. When we finally reached the igloo, it was gone, blown away by the wind. Mando was devastated.
I thought it would last forever,
he said, checking all around the area, but there was nothing left. And that's it, folks. 24 hours survived in the blizzard.
Gracias, mi amigo.
Mando and I made it through, and honestly, he handled it better than I expected. Huge shout out to the panda, the popcorn guy, and of course, Mando himself. Subscribe for more crazy challenges, and let us know in the comments, what should Mando survive next?